All right, today is February the 2nd, 2017, and we're looking at day 4 of these aerosols being sprayed. We got a nearly complete whiteout. It's actually cleared up slightly today. You see all these chemtrails spread over the tops of this incoming moisture field. Now, these terrorists have been spraying heavily for 4 days. We've missed 4 days of rain because of this activity. 4 days. So they're keeping the rain to a very minimum amount. And that's probably for financial reasons. We've got derivatives, weather options being traded on Wall Street, the Chicago Climate Exchange. People are trading weather derivatives, and that's why, part of the reason why this weather is so screwy, it's why they're spraying, why they're stopping the rain, has to do with, it's all money based. Okay, so that's it. There's the fresh trail going in right there. So these trails cause the capping inversion layer, these aerosols cause the capping inversion layer, and that stops the lift. You have to have two things for precipitation. We have to have moisture and lift, and these chemtrails stop the lift in the atmosphere. That's why we have not had any rain. These terrorists are stopping our rain. Okay, that's it.